Here's a 2019 BMW X3. With its muscle, dashing good looks, and roomy interior, this luxury crossover fuses everyday utility with an elegant demeanor. It comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, driver memory seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seats, and abundant cargo space for its size. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. Experience it for yourself today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.